Come here. Come here. Come here, Lulu. Come here. Woohoo! Here. Okay. Yeah, woohoo! Hey, Lulu. Thanksgiving 2015. Got the fire going. Nobody here except me. Yeah, I'll show you some old sleds. Got a very nice 1973-72 Scorpion Stinger 400 ccW. Very nice snowmobile for its age. All original. And you're gonna love this. The seat that I added. Wait a minute. That's for extra comfort on long trips. Yeah, pretty cool. Doesn't really fit too good, but I'll get to that later. Stops the snow from going up your back too. Could use a little work. Yeah, here's the rest of the crew. This here is Roxy. Hey Roxy. Hey Roxy. Woo-hoo, Roxy, Roxy. Woo-hoo. Woo-hoo, Roxy. Okay. Here we go, Roxy. Woo-hoo. Alright, anyway. This one's complete. And here's the one that I'm working on right here. The dog get out of my way. Look out! Look out! Look out! This is the same thing, but we're gonna make this one a little bit different. See, it needs a lot of work. I painted the hood a different color. The trim's going to be a different color, and it's also going to have a different motor. I'm going to put in a 488 Polaris fan. So I don't know if the suspension will be able to handle it or not, but we're going to find out. So stay tuned for updates on this. You have been watching Brent's Boats on YouTube, and anybody out there who's got snowmobile Scorpion parts, I'm always looking to buy 72, 73 Scorpion Stingers. 400 ccWs is what I'm looking for. But I would also be interested and entertained in finding one with a 440 JLO motor. Complete, preferred, or not, whatever you got. I can be reached at 413-587-0183. Again, it's 413-587-0183. And oh, by the way, yes, this does run. Here, I'll prove it to you. See if we can't do it on one pull. Okay, happy holidays everybody. Think snow. This has been Brent from Brent's Boats on YouTube. 2015. Also waiting for the full moon. Talk later.